my channel. Today's video will be a different one because it's quite obvious in the title. I'll be unboxing Corsair K68 RGB mechanical gaming keyboard, which features Cherry MX key switches. Time to open the box! This is actually my first time doing an unboxing video. I have done live unboxing on my Twitch channel, but exerting effort in doing an actual VOD, editing and other preparations that comes with it, it's totally different. Ta-da! Now we have, of course, the keyboard. Warranty. And the palmrest. Let's connect this one. There we go. What a noob! It looks so nice. Ta-da! I love using Cherry MX switches. It sounds and feels so nice. As you can see, it's a full-size keyboard, so you have the numpad right here. Some people prefer the small ones. I like using the full-length ones. There's also a dedicated audio controls right here, which is really awesome. You can adjust volume, pause, play, skip songs easily by slightly extending your arm. This is cool, especially when you're in-game and you just want to adjust your settings without interrupting your game. One more thing about it is it has 100% anti-ghosting with full key rollover, meaning no matter how many keys you press simultaneously, which is pretty normal for us gamers, every key press registers correctly. Oh, and did I mention that it's dust-proof and spill-proof? So let's test it out right now with some of the most abundant in League of Legends. Salt! Imagine your normal day playing League of Legends, dealing with trolls and noobs. You will be scattering salt like this. Let's add more. Salty. Still works. Oh jeez. That's a really good feature because when you eat while playing like Doritos or Lay's, you can just take out the crumbs like that. Easy. Now you're so salty playing, you accidentally tipped off your glass of water. Oh no! Accidents happen. It's wet? No problem. It's spill-proof. Still works. Even if you're clumsy like me, this keyboard will surely last a long time with you. Of course, the thing that made it different from the standard K68 keyboard is that it's RGB. You can modify lighting using Q software, so make sure to download Q. Let me just insert Q here. Okay, there we go. Random colors. Sorry guys, this is my first time playing with RGB keyboards. It's so nice. You can just choose a static color. For the summary, if you're looking for a mechanical gaming keyboard, something stylish, customizable, comfortable to use, and that would last you a very long time, then you're probably looking for the Corsair K68 RGB keyboard. I personally love it, especially the customizing thing. I love being able to customize my lighting and all. For people like me who eat and drink while playing games, perfect for me. So what are your thoughts about it, guys? Would you buy this keyboard? Let me know in the comments down below. So again, I'm Kitz. Follow me on social media. I also stream on Twitch, so make sure to follow me there as well. Hit that like button and share if you enjoyed watching. If you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, go subscribe now. I'd love to see you here again. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and see you again in the next video.